Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on BLACKVIEW A80s. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services and then you have to find parental controls and click on let's do this. Then click sign in. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. And click on more and accept. Now click on supervise. And click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now click on next. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.